Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G32 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap here to the sound and vibration. Here you will see media call, ring, notification and alarm volume panels. And just to change the volume of down, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could activate and turn off the Dolby items, to turn on and turn off the Don't Disturb mode, to allow the calls, messages or notifications from many people's apps, alarms, to set the schedule, the start, the end time, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. We could use also multi-volume option to change phone ringtone for SIM 1 and SIM 2. To activate and turn on this live captions in media section, we could pin media player, and to show media recommendations with the use of the swatches. To activate and turn off the vibration for calls from never to always vibrate, then ring gradually. To activate and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change the default notification and alarm sounds, to turn on and turn off the dial buttons, outgoing call vibration, lock unlock sounds, charging sounds, vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, power on and power off sounds, and just to turn on and turn off all of these options you should use the switchers. Also we could pick up the device to silence in ringer, to use phone over to enable the Don't Disturb mode, to flip for DND, and to use volume keys to change tracks when your screen is off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.